everyone, welcome back to my Vortex channel. Today we're not just talking about AI video, we're diving into the tool behind some of the most viral clips you've been seeing online. That's right, those cinematic shorts blowing up feeds right now, a lot of them are built with PixVerse v5. This isn't just about fun effects. We're talking Hollywood-level cinematography at creator speed. If you've ever wanted to go from prompt to polished cinematic sequence in seconds, this is the tool that makes it real. Let's dive in. PixVerse v5 is officially leading the Artificial Analysis Image to Video leaderboard. Currently, it's rated #1 worldwide in image to video and ranks among the top tier globally for text to video. That's not just impressive, it's proof this platform is setting the new standard for AI-powered filmmaking. Let's break it down with a full case study of how a cinematic sequence actually comes together inside PixVerse. We begin with text to video. I start by typing a cinematic prompt. Imagine a boxer stepping into the ring under a spotlight. In just 5 seconds, PixVerse delivers a polished HD video with exact lighting, stage details, and fluid motion. Even advanced sequences, like a 3-hit combo with realistic pauses and velocity shifts, come out smooth and natural. This is accuracy and speed fused together. No extra edits needed. Next, we take a still image and turn it into a moving scene. A flat portrait becomes a shot with depth. Fabrics ripple, hair flows, and text remains perfectly clear on banners or signage. The result looks like a professional camera captured it, not an AI. Then comes fusion, and this is where storytelling truly starts. I bring in a character, add a prop, and drop them into a full environment. Suddenly, the boxer is in a crowded arena, guitarists are on stage under lights, or even a cat is sprinting through a marathon. Lighting, shadows, and motion all stay coherent across the entire shot. Anime faces keep their style intact, gaming avatars remain faithful to design, and ads with product displays look like they came out of a studio. Now let's step up to templates. This is where creators hit viral scale. One click and the scene transforms. Earth zooms, speed challenges, AR hologram effects, and of course the fan favourite, the 3D figurine case. With this template, PixVerse turns your character, pet, or even a product into a collectible style figurine spinning on a glossy display base. This effect has gone viral across TikTok and Instagram because it looks like an AR collectible you could actually hold in your hand. It's instantly shareable, endlessly remixable, and designed to capture attention in a way stock edits never could. Cinematic power goes further with camera tools. Built-in dolly zooms, FPV sweeps, overhead pans, they instantly add the kind of polish that normally requires expensive gear and a film crew. The movements feel like a professional operator was behind the lens, even though it's all generated from prompts. Transitions then tie the story together. Instead of hard cuts, PixVerse blends shots into fluid, continuous sequences. 2 stills merge into a flowing cinematic scene. This keeps viewers locked in, builds momentum, and is one of the main reasons creators have gained millions of new followers using PixVerse content. Let's put it all into one cinematic sequence. Scene 1, text-to-video builds the boxer under the spotlight. Scene 2, fusion places him in the full stadium with crowd and lighting. Scene 3, templates add the viral 3D figurine effect, turning the boxer into a collectible spinning model that fans could imagine owning. Scene 4, camera movements sweep across the ring for cinematic depth. Scene 5, transitions blend into a slow-motion finish. In minutes, we have what feels like a Hollywood highlight reel, but made entirely inside PixVerse v5. And it doesn't stop at boxing. Sports clips gain believable acceleration and motion paths. Anime and gaming footage hold their sharpness and stay true to design. Ads feature stable text and clear products for real campaigns. Pets can be anthropomorphized with hilarious but realistic animations. Fur detail and motion cycles that make sense. Sci-fi epics render galaxies with vivid background characters. Music scenes capture realistic hand movements on instruments with natural color stability. PixVerse v5 brings together 3 pillars: speed, consistency, and precision. 5-second generation makes iteration fast. Stable colors and lighting remove flicker or drift. Accurate prompt adherence ensures the output matches your imagination, even with complex multi-character requests. This is why PixVerse V5 holds the #1 spot on the leaderboard and why more creators are switching every day. From sci-fi battles to anime adventures, from cinematic ads to viral social 3D figurine effects, this is the creative engine that delivers studio-quality visuals at the speed of content. If you're ready to go from idea to cinematic HD video in seconds, try PixVerse V5 today. And don't forget to like, subscribe to Vortex, and comment the very first scene you'd create with it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.